A week at the local post office.
Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I need to send this package to my friend. How much will it cost to ship it?
It depends on the weight and destination. Let me check for you.
Good day. I'm in search of some vintage stamps from my collection.
James, always a pleasure to see you. I'll find some interesting ones for you.
Collecting stamps must be a fascinating hobby.
Oh, it is. Each stamp tells a story, and it's a beautiful piece of history.
Your package is all set to go. The shipping cost is $12.
Thank you. James, do you have any recommendations for collecting stamps?
Absolutely. I can show you some starter kits and reference books to begin your collection.
I'd appreciate that. Stamps can be a unique and educational hobby.
That's what makes it so enjoyable. You learn about different cultures and historical events.
Thanks for visiting, James. Enjoy your stamps.
I always do. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you for your help. And thanks for the stamp recommendation, too.
You're welcome, Emma. Enjoy your day, and I hope you have fun collecting stamps. Welcome back. Emma, how can I assist you today?
Hi, Officer Miller. I have another package to send.
Good morning, everyone. I'm on the hunt for more unique stamps.
James, it's always great to see you. I'll find some interesting stamps for your collection.
I've been doing some research about stamp collecting, and it's really fascinating.
That's fantastic to hear, Emma. The world of stamps is a treasure trove of history and art.
Your package is ready to go. The shipping cost is $14 this time.
Thank you. James, do you have any advice on how to organize a stamp collection?
Organization is crucial. I can help you choose albums and storage options to keep your stamps in excellent condition.
Thanks for stopping by, James. Enjoy your stamps.
I will, Officer Miller. Have a great day, everyone.
Back so soon? Emma, how can I assist you today?
Hi again, Officer Miller. Another package to send.
Greetings, everyone. I'm in search of more stamps to add to my collection.
James, your enthusiasm is infectious. Let's find some great stamps for you.
I've actually joined a local stamp collectors club, and I'm loving it.
That's terrific, Emma. You'll learn so much and meet fellow collectors with shared interests.
Your package is all set to go. The shipping cost is $11 this time.
Thanks, Officer Miller. James, do you ever attend stamp shows or exhibitions?
Absolutely. They're a fantastic way to find rare stamps and meet other collectors. I can give you the details for the next one.
Thanks for visiting, James. Enjoy your stamps.
I always do. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.